Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Saeed Tuts, and today in this video I will tell you how you can earn and make money online. It's very easy, you don't need any skill for this. That's all you need, some money to invest and earn money from that money. So it's basically this, and it's all about forex trading. So in this video I will tell you everything about forex trading, so watch till the end. And this is basically the introduction of what is forex trading and how you can earn money from forex trading, and you can also say it online earning. So because it's on internet, you don't need to go somewhere to work or earn. So basically it's online and forex trading. So let's get started. So first of all I will show you, this is some type of image of forex trading. I got this from Google, so don't worry about that. So let's first go and see what Google is telling us about forex trading. The foreign exchange market is a global, decentralized or over the counter market of the trading of currencies. The market determines the foreign exchange rate of every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling and exchange currencies at the current or determined prices. And next up we have the Wikipedia. It's very long and it has all the information about foreign market, exchange market, and short form is forex trading. So you can see for EXX trading, so it's foreign exchange market. So you can come to this, and I will put this link in description for you, so you can simply come to this and read all this Wikipedia page, and I am sure you will learn a lot more about this. And because Wikipedia is very good, you can learn in your language as well. But after that, my topic is to tell you how this for trading work and how you can invest and like earn money from it. So basically it's very easy, it's not that complex to understand how it's work. But from earning it, it's little complex, because you need to be very expert in this to earn in this field. Because it's very simple. First I tell you how it's work. So here you can see the image. So basically this is all the work of it. So like you can see, the you need to predict. It's all about prediction. If your prediction goes right, so you will earn. If your prediction goes wrong, so you will lose. So there is two types of purchase, you can see, buy and sell. So it's one, like if you buy one of these, so you are predicting down. If you buy another, you are predicting if the graph goes up. So if you are thinking, like you can see the like you can see the previous 1 month, 2 month or 1 year graph, 1 week graph, 1 hour graph, and then you need to predict, like the line is going down, 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 down. So you need to predict. If your prediction goes correct, so you will earn. If your prediction goes wrong, so you will lose. It's not necessary. So like you can leave this for 1 month. Maybe your prediction, one day your prediction goes wrong, another day it's gone on top. So you can close your purchase and you will earn money. So basically this is all about prediction and this type of graphs. And this is not that simple, but if you want to earn, so I suggest you to learn, to get some video courses, full courses. Maybe there is so much experts who will tell you about this all. But if you want to come in this field, so my suggestion is to first learn about this and then invest your money, because money is not easy to earn again. So but this platform, this forex trading is very popular and very big. People are earning so much from this. So this is it. I hope you understand how this basically works. It's about prediction, and if your prediction goes right, you will earn. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And guys, thank you so much. And sorry, my mic is glitching. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in comment if you want me to make videos on forex trading, trusted platforms where you can invest and earn. So let me know in comment if you want to learn this next I will make video on that as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will be catch you in the next and other video. So like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.